I tested 7 AI side hustles to find out which ones actually make money. Most of them are a complete waste of time, but 2 of them stand out. And if I was starting from zero, these are the only ones I would focus on. One of these methods produced results much faster than expected. I will break that down in detail later. For this test, I followed 3 simple rules. No experience, no audience, and no upfront investment. Only AI tools and simple execution. Let's begin. The first side hustle is AI logo design. On the surface, it sounds like an easy opportunity. You generate logos using AI and sell them online. However, the market is extremely saturated. Prices are very low and competition is high. Most beginners spend more time searching for clients than actually doing paid work. This is where most people get stuck. The idea is simple, but the reality is inefficient. For that reason, this method is not ideal for making money quickly. The second side hustle is AI blog writing. The concept is to generate articles using AI and offer them as a service. The challenge is that clients are not looking for raw AI output. They expect structured high-quality content that performs well. At the same time, search engines have become stricter, and low-effort AI content does not rank. This means you need additional skills beyond just using AI as a result. This method is slower than it appears. The third option is selling AI prompts. This is an interesting model. You create useful prompts and sell them as digital products. It can work, but only under certain conditions. Most people miss this part. Without an audience or distribution, it is difficult to generate consistent sales. This makes it a strong long-term strategy, but not the best option for immediate income. The fourth side hustle is creating AI content for dropshipping products. The idea is to generate promotional videos using AI. On paper, this sounds efficient. But here is the problem. Content alone does not create trust. Without a strong product or brand, conversions remain low. Many beginners focus on content and ignore the fundamentals of selling. That is why this method often fails. Up to this point, none of these methods deliver fast or reliable results. But this is where things start to change. The fifth side hustle is AI caption writing, and this is the first method with real potential. Businesses need content every day, especially on platforms like Instagram. Many of them do not have the time or skill to write engaging captions consistently. The process is simple and repeatable. First, find small businesses that are actively posting but have low engagement. Second, offer a basic package, such as 10 captions for a fixed price. Third, use AI tools to generate those captions quickly. Here is where this becomes powerful. You are solving a real problem. The service is fast to deliver, easy to scale, and clients often need ongoing support. This creates recurring income. If you are starting from zero, this is one of the most practical ways to generate your first cash flow. If you have made it this far, you are already ahead of most people. Because this next method is the one I would focus on long term. The sixth side hustle is AI thumbnail design. While thumbnails are important, creating effective ones requires more than basic AI generation. It involves understanding design, contrast, and what attracts attention. Without those skills, results are inconsistent. This makes it more difficult than it appears, especially for beginners. Now we move to the final method, and this is the one that changes everything. The seventh side hustle is creating faceless AI content. This involves producing short-form videos using AI tools. These videos can generate views, build an audience, and drive traffic. The monetization process is straightforward. First, create and publish short videos consistently. Second, grow an audience over time. Third, direct that audience toward affiliate offers or your own digital products. This method works because it removes traditional barriers. You do not need to show your face. You do not need advanced skills. And each piece of content becomes an asset that can continue to generate attention over time. If I was starting from zero, I would combine these two methods into a simple system. First, Use AI caption writing to generate immediate income. This gives you cash flow quickly. Then, build a faceless content channel to create long-term growth and scalable income. From there, you can layer monetization. This includes affiliate tools, digital products such as prompt packs, and content-based revenue. This is the key difference. Most people focus on ideas, but results come from execution. Simple systems, applied consistently, will always outperform complex plans. If you want to skip the trial and error, I have put the exact prompts, templates, and system I use in the description. You can copy it and start immediately. Most people will watch this and do nothing. The few who take action will see results. The choice is yours.